Hey guys, I'm here with my sweet boy, Asher, who loves to sing. And my sweet girl, who's coming over here, who loves to sing. And we'll just move this back a little bit. And we're going to sing a song we love to sing together at our house. Okay, ready? Asher, you want to join us?
Sure. Can I do it?